Hello everyone. In today's session, we'll explore some advanced settings available in the Language Translator Control. Using this option, we can group the required languages for the application, and at runtime, users can easily switch to their desired language. To begin, navigate to the Settings panel, where you can configure and manage a group of supported languages for the application. From this section, select the languages you want to include in the group. For example, as shown here, we have selected English, French, Spanish and Hindi. You can easily find additional languages either by scrolling through the available list or by using the search bar to quickly locate and add languages of your choice. Once the preferred languages are selected, simply save the settings. Now, when we switch to runtime mode and preview the application, you'll notice the Language Translator Control displayed on the screen. After saving, these selected languages will be available during runtime. The languages that were selected in the settings appear here automatically, allowing users to switch between them seamlessly while the app is running. That's all for this part. Thank you.